Hello and happy Thanksgiving. I'm Marcia Spielberger. I am a member of the Ahavath Achim Synagogue board, and I co-chair Membership and Engagement Committee with Bethany Lasky Smith. As part of engagement, I want to invite all of you to attend a wellness workshop on December the 3rd from 9:30 to 12:30. The workshop is called the Zero Line, and Jay is going to explain that to you in a minute. I'm going to go over the little details of what we're going to be doing. First of all, Jay is my regenerative movement coach, and I've been working with him for several years online. He's from Denver, Colorado. He's conducting this workshop at no charge. The only charge is if you want to have lunch. Please go to the website and register so we know how many people are coming. The lunch is optional. It will be catered by Alex. And I'm looking so forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email is on the website, and I look forward to it. Now let Jay tell you what we're really going to be doing that day.
Hey, thanks, Marcia. I look forward to meeting everyone in Atlanta. It's going to be a really great time. I'm Jay Kratz, and like Marcia said, I'm from Denver, and I've been a massage therapist for 20 years. And I've compiled a lot of information from my career, and helping people get out of pain, feel better, get back to their life. And I've discovered and have created a movement system based on what my teachers have taught me, and I've synthesized the information into a consolidated system. So at the workshop, we're going to be going over a concept called the zero line, which is basically an invisible center of gravity line that goes through the body. And when you align yourself in this line, then the joints decompress, the bones get into a better alignment, the muscles find better balance, and that reduces interference, stress, anxiety, and it helps the nervous system calm down. And then slowly we can move more into the regenerative phase of your body. And then your body starts doing amazing things, like Marcia has experienced a 10% of increase in her bone density, which is amazing. That occurred over 3 years since 2020, doing 3 to 5 classes a week. And we have an online movement system that I do movement classes weekly. And I also have a one-on-one bodywork practice where I take massage clients. So December 3rd, I'll be offering what is the zero line, and then how to get yourself into it. And then what are some of the specific exercises you could do at home to make sure that you continuously be in that zero line alignment. And I look forward to meeting everyone. This is a special opportunity. Marcia and I have been putting this together for quite some time. And Marcia has just been a huge contribution to the meta movement community. And she's one of our all-stars. And we had an amazing time in Costa Rica last year, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Yeah. And I just, this is going to be a really special experience, and I look forward to seeing you all.
Me too. And happy Thanksgiving and an
Happy
early Shabbat
Thanksgiving.
Shalom.
Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you soon.
Bye.